All right, it's your weather in a minute. Tropical moisture still on top of us here. Rain chances will be high the next few days. That continues today, about 60%. And with the cloud cover and the rainfall, temperatures not as hot, will be in the upper 80s. This tropical wave, which, by the way, if it would have stayed out there a little bit longer, we'd be talking about, I think, something quite different here. But it is going to be mainly rain, certainly for us. Some gusty winds later this afternoon as some of the thunderstorms get going. But look at that well-defined spin there as this thing continues to head off to the north and west. And there you see with the heating of the day, things blossoming there. So again, rain coverage holding at 60%, if not a little bit higher, especially further north and east across our interior counties. There you see some mid-80s where the cloud cover and the rainfall will begin first. So we're going to continue with slightly cooler temperatures, certainly heading into the rest of the day and into the next few days. Still hanging on to the tropical moisture. That means, well, we'll have temperatures in the 80s with plenty of afternoon storms.